Hiya, me again. Just thought I'd show you a new set of LED bike lights I bought. Well, it was, I forgot to charge my bike light the other day, or give it a recharge rather, and it sort of got a bit dim on the way home. And I thought, well, other people could see me, but I couldn't see nothing. So I thought it'd be a good idea to get a backup set. So I went hunting and I found these on Amazon. Got yourself a nice little user manual in here. And it's got all the info you need, and they last quite a long time. On low, you're looking at just the flashing, it's 36 hours or 35 hours. And I thought that was quite impressive, you know. Like your flashing obviously would be for daylight riding really, but yeah, and you got 23 hours on normal high beam. So yeah, I was quite impressed with that. So anyway, you get yourself a user manual. By the way, these cost me 15 quid. They were £5 off, and it was on Amazon, but they normally go for 20 quid a pop. But yeah, the lights themselves, you got 6 LEDs in the middle and LEDs all around the outside. You got USB-C charging fittings in here, look. So it's fast charge, which is way cool. It's the first set of bicycle lights I've actually seen with USB-C chargers. But yeah, so these all run independently, which is quite cool. So you've got that button for the center lights, this button for the outer lights. Now I thought that was a cool little thing, whereas you can change it around and have it how you want it, you know. I thought that was pretty impressive, that. So you can have whatever pattern you want, and you just press and hold them to turn them off. And the front light, it's got 6, so you got 3 at the top, 3 at the bottom. Same charge unit. So pressing that one runs that one there, look, as you can see. Then you got that. Then you got that. Alright, I'll put it on dim and show you the other set on. And then that's on dim. Now that is dim, and that is bright. And that's even brighter, that. Right, and if you want these to flash, it's a double press, I think. Yeah. So there you go. So you could have more flashing independently. But I thought that was bloody cool. So there you go. Drop the speed down and everything. But yeah. Press and hold, turn them off. Really simple to use, but really bright. It's the littlest light I've had that's that bright. And I did fire them up in the house last night because they turned up while I was in work, and I used them down my hallway with all the lights off, and it lit everything completely up. So you know, I thought that was quite good. And the fittings, you can put them either way. They've done it in such a way that you can put this bracket either that way on your framework or that way on your framework and still have the light up the right way. And I thought it was quite cool, and it's a nice tight click, as you can see. So it makes it all, and you could sort of like go around, see? Sweet, isn't it? Yeah, I was quite impressed by the fitting. And the charge cable. The charge cable itself, as you can see, is a double fitting. So USB, fast charger, and USB-C. Twin. Never seen one before like that. First one I've seen. Obviously there'll be more floating around somewhere, but yeah, I was quite impressed. It seems like quite a quality cable. But yeah, anyway, it's just to show you what I got really. But as I drive a truck for a living, I see a lot of cyclists now with no lights on whatsoever. In my truck, when it's like just coming light to dark, and the same at the end of the day, dark, like light to dark, dark to light, It's really hard to see a cyclist here on them, because most cyclists wear dark clothes, because especially through the winter months, because they don't want to get their bright clothes dirty. But you can't see them. So just a heads up, you know, if you've got family and that who's riding their bikes in the dark, tell them get some lights. These weren't dear, you know, and you can buy lights a lot cheaper than this. You know, it's just for your own safety, really. Anyway, stay safe out there and get out and ride.